YouTube thumbnails are like pictures in a boring book. They help you to convey emotions even before a person watches your video. They help you to give context to your video that the title wouldn't be able to do as quickly and effectively, and it helps you to create a coherent style for your channel that every single time you upload a new video, everyone would recognize that it's from your channel. So let's get your custom thumbnails done quickly and easily that you would be able to enjoy all these benefits that good thumbnails have. So here's 4 quick and easy steps for you to take. First of all, enable custom thumbnails on your channel.
So if you just start a YouTube channel and you haven't uploaded any videos or any thumbnails to your channel yet, then you won't have an option to put a custom thumbnail on your video. So to enable custom thumbnails on your channel, you have to go to your YouTube Studio, then choose to go to Creator Studio Classic, and then press on your channel, and then you will see a dashboard and one of the options is custom thumbnails. So as you see on my channel, they are enabled, but if you don't have enabled custom thumbnails on your channel, then you will see a thing like this. So you can just press enable and fill all the things that are necessary.
Secondly, collect some photos or screenshots that you can use in your thumbnail.
So in order to collect some photos that you can use in your thumbnail, you can use either pictures that you take while you're filming your video, or you can take print screens from the video itself. So for this thumbnail specifically, I used this photo, but in cases where I just forget to take a photo for my thumbnail, I can always use some screenshots for the video itself. So I usually just open the video and stop it, and then move around and search for good screenshots that I can take and use it for my thumbnail.
The third step is to make a thumbnail on Canva or any other program you can easily use, and to add some text, icons, a background, or any other elements that would be either related to the video that you're making or would make your thumbnail stand out.
So there are numerous options that you can choose from when it comes to programs to use for your thumbnails. But I use Canva, so I'll show you how I make my thumbnails. So here are all of the designs that I have been doing, and this one is specifically for thumbnails. So when I open that, you can see that all of the thumbnails that I have done or my graphic designer used to have done for me are here in one document. It helps to stay consistent with your style and to use the same techniques as you used before, and it makes it way easier to find out some different ideas how to make a thumbnail, because you can see how you have done thumbnails in the past. So this is the thumbnail that we are working on right now, and as you can see, for the background, I chose a very bright background that this thumbnail would just catch the eye. So as you can see, I chose different elements like these 2 photos that are cropped in Photoshop, and also the fonts that I usually use for my thumbnails, and other elements, say it's a collaboration, and of course an element that is YouTube logo, because we are talking about YouTube in this video. And the reason why you can see another person in this thumbnail is because it's a collab video, and you can see that video on my channel, because I want to show that it's not only my video, but also that the audience that Milza Marie has would see that she is also on this video, and if it's interesting for them, they would watch that too. So it's a really fast and easy way to make thumbnails. You can just drop these elements and have a thumbnail for yourself.
The fourth step is to finally upload the video and the custom thumbnail you made on YouTube.
So the easiest step of all is to upload your custom thumbnail to the video that you're publishing. So here I'm uploading a video about how to create consistent content on YouTube, and I'm in the beta version of YouTube Studio. And here I have an option to either choose a custom thumbnail or some thumbnails that are ready for me by the YouTube. But I of course want to choose custom thumbnail, so I go there and then I choose where my thumbnail is, and here I choose the thumbnail that I have, and that's all. Here you can see the thumbnail uploaded.
But these four are only the beginner steps on how to create custom thumbnails on YouTube. And if you want to go to the advanced level and to make better thumbnails for your videos, I have one bonus tip for you. You probably noticed that in the beginning of this video, I showed you some examples of thumbnails, and all of them were referring to one channel here on YouTube. And that's right, Jade Darmawangsa or Darmawangsa? Jade is one of the best at making great thumbnails here on YouTube, and I really admire how she does that. Although we could be talking for hours, what are those best techniques for making a thumbnail that she uses, I think that there's one thing that you should take away, and that is that your thumbnails should evoke emotion. Whether it would be a photo of you with an emotional expression, or it would be a beautiful scenery that everyone would be interested in watching in the video and everyone would be envious of for you, there are countless ways for making your potential viewers to feel something. If you simply focus on the emotional experience that you're creating for your potential viewers every single time you make a thumbnail, then you're good to go. And sooner or later, your thumbnails will help you to go viral. And if you're still doubting that, then stay tuned for my next video, because next week I will be talking about how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. So if you want to see me analyzing some specific examples of good thumbnails on Jade's and others' channels, then subscribe to my channel and click the bell that you wouldn't miss this video. And in the meanwhile, watch these two videos and remember to keep striving forward.